Hey everybody, Jennifer Bell here, and this is Mastering the Minute Medicare Style. This video is on whether or not you can change your Medicare supplement. And I think this can be a little confusing because of all of the deadlines and time frames and everything that gets thrown around and the commercials during the fall, all this craziness. So I just want to make it very simple for you. If you have a Medicare supplement, usually followed by a letter, Plan G, Plan F, Plan N, this is a plan that really runs month to month, so you can change your Medicare supplement at any time. What you have to keep in mind is, if you're outside of the initial 6 months of being on that Medicare supplement, or being on Medicare actually, then you will have to answer health questions in order to change from one supplement to another. So if your health has taken a turn and you have to answer in the negative to whether or not you've had certain health conditions, then that could prevent you from making a change and getting a different Medicare supplement. So the quick answer is yes, you can change at any time, but you will have to answer health questions and go through underwriting, which could affect the rate that you're given. If you have any extra questions, please reach out to me, and don't forget my YouTube channel, Excel in Medicare. Hope you have a great day, and this was Mastering the Minute.